Can you solve this question? 9 minus 9 times 9 minus 9. Many people solve this question like this. 9 minus 9 times 9 equals 81 minus 9. Now here 9 minus 81 minus 9 equal to 72. 9 minus 72 equals to negative 63. But trust me, this answer is wrong because we did not follow one of the most important rule, which is called PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have much higher priority than addition and subtraction. And now we can solve this question correctly by this way. So the question is 9 minus 9 times 9 minus 9. Here first we can do this multiplication. So 9 minus 9 times 9 is 81 minus 9. First we can solve this subtraction. So 9 minus 81 equals negative 72 minus 9. Negative 72 minus 9 equals positive 81. This is the final answer of this question. If you enjoy the video, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.